just said.
I said, is it ironic or is it weird if we go from posting all these beautiful pictures of nature and camping and rushing rivers to the next thing we're at the Clown Motel and we're posting pictures of creepy dolls and haunted cemeteries.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
Hello, Spirit. You just turned my EMF detector to red. Who's here with me? Spirits, we come in peace. We come with respect. We're here to pay our respects this evening. Do you have a message you'd like to have shared with the living? You have a message. If you want to speak into my recorder. We'll be able to hear you. And gone. Spirit, do you hear me? Can you communicate with me? If you're reacting to me right now, you are reacting to me right now. Speak into my recorder if you have a message. Do you want to say something to the living? Who's here with me? Thank you for lighting up my EMF detector. I can see that you have definitely a strong spirit and want to communicate. Are you one of the miners who died in the mine? Which miner is this? Who am I speaking with? Oh my goodness. Ooh, the sun's going down and the wind's kicking up. Got back from the Clown Motel and the Tonopah Cemetery. What's happening with your camera, honey?
I'm not really sure. This beer tastes really good.
Okay.
That's what I am sure about.